Hey guys, Keith, Outlaw Speed Shop. It's been a while since I did an unboxing video. I ordered some parts from Bearcat Designs. Those came in today. So I figured I would open this up, trying to figure out what the hell I ordered anyways. Actually, it was really fast shipping too. I think they had it. I placed the order and they shipped it the next day. So some pretty fast response time, which is not unheard of, but it's certainly rare in today's day and time. So let's see what I ordered. Been a hot minute. So I got some, looks like big block Chevy motors, which is really nice. I know it's hard because they're white. I will end up painting these because I specifically ordered all this for upcoming projects that I plan on doing. But I don't know if you can see this or not, but this is, it's got the belts, it's got the pulleys, it's got the oil pan, the scoop, blower. I mean, it's got everything on it. So I got that. Got some parachutes for the back of cars, some racing seats, some, I believe these are the top loader Ford transmissions, because I ordered some small block Chevy or small block Ford 289 type motors here. Some more parachutes, some more seats. Again, I got a lot going on. Let's see, I got some gasser. I think he calls these the gasser motors. I'm not 100% sure. If I got it wrong, then I apologize, but they're pretty much a small block Chevy with the pulleys, belt, and the velocity stacks on there, which looks really cool. And then I've got, I think he sent me some exhaust headers. That would be for the gasser style motor. And then I got some gasser suspension parts, wheelie bars. When the wheelie bars come with the metal pins, which is really cool. It's got everything you need to make the wheelie bars, which is awesome. And then I get some front end, or I don't know if this, I think I get the complete kit. I don't remember, but for the gassers. But he sells them rears and fronts or a complete kit. So it all depends on what you want or what you plan on doing. I'm not sure. I think I just got carried away. I'm not a big gasser person, but he's come with the bars and everything. I mean, there's no stone left unturned with these, and it looks like the quality. Sometimes you get 3D printed parts and there's a lot of flash on there, or they're still on the sprue and you got to break them off. It's just a pain in the neck. These are all individually bagged, really nice stuff. So make sure you check those guys out. Again, it's Bearcat3ddesigns.com. Thank you for your order, Howard and William. Isn't that nice? I feel special. So anyways, I'll put that with my things. So I will put these back in the box that they came in, because I will absolutely positively lose these, but I need them for an upcoming project sooner than later, so they won't go too far. Also, I got a box in from overseas from Mr Staniland. I popped it open, but I didn't take anything out yet. So I knew this was coming. He had a delay, and living where he lives, or New Zealand, or wherever. I think it's New Zealand. Sorry, Chris. Things take forever. So I got this nice opening hood charger, which I wish I would have had a couple days ago, because I would have used this for the project that I'm working on. I can always shift gears, so I got that. What else did he send? Oh, that's cool. I haven't been out to collect Hot Wheels in probably a year. I haven't been to a store to even look at Hot Wheels in probably about as long. I got some Gasland style stuff that'll work really well. The Warthog. Picking Hot Wheels. I don't know where they come up with their designs. Roger Dodger, which I love these cars, and actually I like this one. And once in a while they get it right. I like the steely wheels, and I don't like the gray wheels, but I mean the matte black with the gold. I think there's more like a steampunk theme to it. mean, the Roger Dodgers are cool to begin with, but if they would have done maybe a chrome base with this would have looked sweet. Or a gold base. You know, sometimes they have those weird golds thing. But anyways, get that. Nice. Wow. I haven't seen this one. Of course, I haven't seen a lot, but this one's really sharp. I like that. I love the 62s. I like the ones without the bumpers. It's got the surfboard. And this one's actually perfect. I wouldn't touch it, which is rare. I say that, I'll still touch it. What else we got? Nice. I like the dairy deliveries. Again, this is another one I wouldn't touch. It's got the olive green matte with the wicked cool pinstriping on it. If it had rail riders, it'd be perfect. I love this. This is awesome. Again, another one I wouldn't really touch. What else we got? Yeah, the Econoline Pickup. I had one of these, and I ended up destroying because I wanted the wheels off. It was when I first started the channel, and I didn't have any rail riders, so I forgot. I think I was building a 32 or something. I needed the wheels, so it's good to have another one that's complete. This would be cool pro street with a big ass wing, and you know, do really the gay 80s pastels with the, you know, make it really look stupid. And then I've got this, which is something I'm not sure. I know he built something, and I remember him sending me a picture, but I'm so forgetful lately because I got so much going on that I tend to forget things. So every day is like Christmas. Because you can tell me what you're sending me, and I'm still going to forget. And he wrapped this very, very well, which is good because it came a long way. And I want to make sure I open this correctly so as to not ruin anything that's inside. Hopefully, I don't hear anything ticking, so I'm good there. And this is unlike me, because like Christmas time, I just rip shit open. I don't even pay attention to it. Especially if it says fragile. But when it comes to Hot Wheels, I take my sweet ass time. Okay, I see multiple pieces here. Open carefully. This is a belated birthday. Open carefully. I feel like I'm getting set up for something. I'm not even sure how to open this. Do I open it from the bottom where the tape is? Do I open it where the glue is? Nobody knows. It's a surprise. I'm going to assume it's here. But you know what happens when you assume. Again, it says open carefully. And I'm sure he's watching this right now, assuming I'm going to break something. And he'd probably be correct. Ugh. I know I'm going to break it. So what you guys wanted to do is watch a video of me. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice chariot. I like that. Holy crap. Now I remember. Let you guys see the vehicles if it's what I remember. Yeah. Open this. Now he's really cringing, so you can see it. It's still in one piece. I'm using a sharp instrument. Look at that. I did it. I did it. My day is complete. Time to go drinking. Look at that. That's all handmade. Look at that. That's awesome. Oh, and this works. Wow. Alright, let me get some of this out of here. Create another mess. I know, I'm really sloppy. It says wagon. Again, horrible with my memory. I remember he sent me a picture because he felt bad that it wasn't going to be on time. And I remember looking at it and I remember loving it. But honestly, it's been a while, so I don't remember exactly what it looked like. So we're going to see together. Like the first time. Remember your first time? Seeing a custom Hot Wheels? Oh, yeah. It's almost orgasmic. Alright, here we go. Look at that. Nice. It's got the trailer hitched to the trailer. Multicolor rust. It's a Chevelle wagon, which makes it even cooler. It's got the real riders on there. Nice. This goes like this. Like that. Perfect. And this says race car, which we're going to assume is a race car. Unless he's punking me, but I doubt that. I probably could have done all this ahead of time, but then the lack. I don't know, I think you lose something when I already know what's in it, you know? Even though I should already know what's in this anyways. Holy moly. Wow. Look at that. Damn. Roll bars are painted. Chrome exhaust. Monoblock wheels. This is insane. I don't know if you guys can truly see how awesome this is. You're just going to have to take my word for it. Custom Renegades and Hoodlums for the Facebook group. Wow. It's got the track chalk on it for time. This is awesome. Outlaw. Dude, this is awesome. I can't thank you guys enough. Between Howard and William for sending me the 3D printed parts I ordered, and Kirsten for selling me. I mean, this is, wow. This is awesome. So I'm going to put this down. This sits in there like that. Holy moly. That's awesome. Thank you, and thank you. Wow. Alright, well, that was the unboxing video. Go about your day. I'm done.